Back. So today we're going to be we're still keeping the theme of Nutella. So today we're going to be making Nutella cookies. Yes, I saw this recipe online and I'm like, you know what? We're going to make it. We're going to make it our own and like give it a little twist and see how it comes out. So, okay, items that you're going to need to make the cookie. So you're going to need Nutella. So we're going to need Nutella. You're going to need eggs. You're going to need butter. You're going to need, where is my sugar? White sugar. You know, I keep my white sugar here, so it's just regular white sugar. You're going to need flour, which is important, you guys. Flour, all-purpose flour, baking soda. There we go. And you need salt. Did I say salt? I don't know, but hopefully it didn't repeat it. Salt. All right, so that's it, simple ingredients. All right, so now, like you know how we always do, we do step by step on the recipes. If you hear background noise, please, it's just my children, I'm sorry. It's a family content video channel, so you sometimes hear them in the background. Also, if you have not hit subscribe, please subscribe, hit the like button and the notification button as well, so you don't miss out on any of our videos, because we make a lot of different contents. And yes, so once again, I want to stop and give thanks to every one of you who have hit subscribe and has been following us and supporting us. Thank you so much for continuing our journey. So I really appreciate it. I know everybody else in my family does too. So again, I hope that you make this video, like the Nutella cookie, and you please comment below and see and let me know if you liked it. If you did something else different about it, that would be great. So okay, step by step, let's go. Okay, so now for the Nutella cookies, you have a stick of butter, which is half a cup of butter, so it's melted down in the bowl, and make sure everything's mixed in there, and then you just pour it into your bigger bowl. Okay, I'll just be mixing it up here. Okay, now you're gonna put half a cup of sugar in your cookie mix. This is what we're creating now. Just mix that up. Now you grab your Nutella. All right, and we're gonna pour all of it in the mixing. Put that right here. Okay. So you pour that in. It's gonna be delicious, you guys. I can't wait. You'll see. And this is so easy to make too. Like I said, I'm sorry for the background noise. It's just my kids. And yeah, so we continue to pour it inside the jar, inside the mix. Okay, so once you have your Nutella in there, now you start mixing that up. Okay, so you put in 1 large egg in your mix. As you can see, I already added it. So now you mix everything good. Oh, then you also need, now that we're already mixing that, 1 teaspoon of salt and baking powder. So let's get the baking powder. All right, so here's 1 teaspoon of the baking powder. That's all done. And here is 1 teaspoon of the salt, flavoring, and now we mix this all up. And now we're just missing our 1 cup of flour. And then we'll add that in. We'll add that in little by little, just 1 cup. The rest. Okay, and now we mix this in, and we should have our batter. Okay, I'll continue to be mixing. All right, so your cookie dough should look like this. It looks great, as you can see. Again, sorry for the background noise, it's just the kids. So you see everything, the cookie dough looks amazing. And here you could get creative with it. If you want to add chocolate chips, you can, or peanuts, or walnuts, or you know, pecans. I mean, whatever you like and you want to get creative with it, you sure can. So this is it. This is just your classic Nutella cookie. So now we're gonna set it up on the cookie sheet, but this is how it should look, okay? All right, so here we go, next step. Okay, so here I have my cookie sheet already with the tray and the cookie sheet. And then I have here, this is my little cookie scooper, but you could use a spoon or whatever utensil you may have. And then we just go like that and we start placing our cookie dough there. So here we go. So then, see the cookie dough? See, perfect. See, like a little ice cream thing. And then make sure you give it plenty of space so it can spread out. Okay. And then we just continue on. Okay, you guys, so this is my first tray, and I did the ice cream scoop, then I just pushed it down a bit, and now I'm gonna place this in the oven. Hi, you guys, look at these cookies, Nutella cookies. Quick, easy to make, 350 oven, 10 to 15 minutes, done. Look at them, they're delicious, look, amazing. You guys need to try it out. Please let me know, you know, how you like them. My family loves these. So delicious. You can't go wrong with Nutella. Nutella is amazing. So please comment below, hit the like button, and let me know if you like it or not. So yeah, see you later.